I'm speaking with 36-year-old single mom of 3 and New Wealth University student, Iyona Woodard from Hopkinsville, Kentucky. Yay, Kentucky. She wants a home-based business. She wants to be an author, and bottom line, she wants to build wealth. Her biggest obstacle right now is structure, order, and strategy. Because you have a home-based business, you will now also be able to write off, I'm looking at your expenses. You can write off a percentage of your rent. You can write off a percentage of your light bill, your gas bill, your cable. You can write off your mobile phone. You can write off now expenses that you were already paying for anyway. So as you spend less money, meaning you are managing your expenses, then you're getting more money because you're building other streams of income. The third thing that you're doing with your home-based business is you are now getting your money back, right?
Right.
It's like if the grocery store manager, if you went there and bought some groceries, you came home with all your groceries and the grocery store manager called you 2 weeks later and said, come back and get your money, but keep your groceries. You'd run back. Honey, we'd stop the program right now and I'd run with you. We'd all go back and get our money. Well, that's what the IRS says when you have a home-based business and you actually learn the rules of the game and play the game by the rules. So stay in your classes. Learn about the different tax deductions that you're reading about and get your money back. Learn how to properly set up an infrastructure in your home-based business. You are already in business. You just need to do the best you can where you are with what you have today. Eventually, what will begin to happen, you will see your surplus grow. You'll have more money weekly, monthly, and then during tax refund time. So if you were already getting back a few $1,000s because you're head of household, you've got 3 children, you're getting tax credits and things like that, the earned income credit, but now you're gonna get even more tax deductions, right? So now that refund may go from 5,000 to 10,000.
Right.
It may go from 6,000 to 12,000. Now guess what you have? You've got capital. You have capital. So you can now take your book and your vlogging and all of your advice and perhaps get printed books. So now when you go out on the road, you meet somebody and you can sell books while you are in your speaking engagements at your church. There may be a series you can start at your children's school. Let me tell you, the opportunities are endless. And so that gives you a bit of infrastructure. That gives you also a little bit of order. But now you talk about strategy. How am I going to grow my business? So what you're going to do is I'm going to make sure you take the Master Achievement Plan. And in the Master Achievement Plan, you're going to identify what's important to you. You're going to outline your priorities. And then you're going to create a vision of perfection for each thing in your life that's important to you. Your family, being a mother, your spirituality, your business, your employees, growing your business, all of the things in your life that you need to look at, because you see, we wake up every single day with a whole bunch of stuff in our heads. Most of us are just trying to figure out how to brush our teeth, be clean, put on a mask, and get out the house, right?
Right.
Did the kids make it? Is everybody alive? But there are all these other pieces. And the Bible says, write the vision and make it plain so the reader can run with it. So now when you've got your whole life and your vision on paper, you can see, oh, I did this. Let me check that off. I did this piece now. Let me check that off. Oh, I accomplished this, that, and the other. Let me check that off. This is my vision of perfection. This is my 60-day goal. And these are my daily activities. And then when you accomplish that goal, you create new goals. So I'm excited for you. I see you as an entrepreneur. I see you having multiple businesses. I see you creating income streams. And I see you teaching your children how to do the same and passing on your legacy. Do you have any questions for me?
So I have 3 children. What would you think the first steps would be to get them started to ensure that they are properly aligned with my home-based business?
Okay, so this is a very good question. The first thing I would say for you is to grab your Master Business and Budgeting Journal and make sure you're looking at your numbers. And so you can see exactly what you have. The second thing I would say is start your business today, right now. You have everything you need. Many people think that they need a corporation, an LLC, an S Corp, or a partnership to start a business. But the truth is, all you need is what you came here with: your name
Okay.
and your social security number and the sense that God has given you. And then you start, right? So the moment you say, I am in business and I'm going to do my first video post and I'm going to put it on TikTok and I'm going to educate someone about something that I am passionate about, I am skilled at, or that I do naturally, then you are in business. There is no big thing you have to file. There is no, now if you're doing hair, you need to get a license. If you're going to do nails, you need to get a license. If you're going to drive for Uber, then you need to have a driver's license. When you are looking to make money, ask yourself this question: what can I provide that the world needs? Yep, it's just as simple as that. What do I have to give that the world may need? Because as you give what the world needs, then you will get back what you need, and it'll be a cycle of wealth that you're creating. So I'm excited about you building wealth. I'm excited about your children becoming employees in your business. You want to make sure you also take how to hire your kids and get your money back. You want to take the advanced home-based business boot camp. You want to take any classes on credit, estate planning, building your business, and also strategizing in your business. So you've got a pretty lengthy curriculum ahead of you, but it's also fun because you're learning some great things. And what I also see for you as a part of your training and consulting, I see you teaching others how to do the same. And I'm also going to make sure that you get the Platinum Kit, which includes every book in the store. Most importantly, the Symphony, a guide to creating and balancing multiple streams of income. That book is going to help you to organize your thoughts, organize your income streams, and organize your strategy as you move forward. Of course, it comes with Living Check to Monday, Living Beyond Check to Monday, Get Your Money Back, Beyond 2020, and all of those books. So you'll get a whole Platinum Kit. So I'm excited about that for you.
Thank you, Dr. Lynn. Thank you very much.
Okay, I had so much fun today talking to Iyona about running an empire from home and protecting her brand. What did we learn? Well, the first thing is do the best you can where you are with what you have right now. What are your gifts and talents? What do you do naturally and what are you skilled at? You take those things and you create income streams. The second thing that we learned is to hire those kids to work in that home-based business. You're going to save money on taxes and you're going to teach them how to be entrepreneurs as well. The third thing that we learned is that her goal is to build that brand, protect her legacy, and pass it on to her children and to their children. So she's going to get a trademark, she's going to get a single member LLC or some other entity when it's time, and she's going to build the empire that she sees in her dreams. I am so excited for her because we are building wealth. Let's go.